When is nootropic piracetam used in psychiatry? What effect does it have?
Nootropics are a group of drugs that stimulate and strengthen the central nervous system. They influence nerve cell function, that is, they reinforce and calm neurons, improving their metabolism.
Piracetam is available as an injection and in pill form. Which form is most effective?
Depending on the disorder, patients might take one or the other. In acute conditions, we use the injection, that is, intravenously. Occasionally, it is administered as a solution, sometimes even in drops. When is it necessary? We use the medication in rehabilitation therapy, not just in psychiatry, but in neurology, in pediatric neurology and adult neurology. The tablet form of the drug is indicated for a longer course of the rehabilitation therapy. The doses should bring the patient to a good state of mental and physical health.
And how should you take the tablets? I know they influence sleep.
Yes, it is a stimulating drug, but not a stimulant. It strengthens and heals the nervous system, improves brain activity. The stimulating effect manifests as a vivacity and activeness. Sometimes it causes agitation, so the medication is often taken in the morning or daytime, when a person should be most active. It is not recommended to take the drug at night, just as you shouldn't take strong tea or coffee before bed, so you shouldn't take the nootropics.
So you should take the last pill sometime before 4 p.m.?
Yes, perhaps one in the morning, another in the afternoon, and then one more after lunch. So that means between 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. You should not take nootropics before 6 p.m.
What side effects might piracetam cause?
It might cause agitation, even muscle twitches, restlessness, insomnia. Sometimes it might also cause convulsions.
Can you drink alcohol while taking piracetam?
You should not take piracetam while consuming alcohol, because alcohol itself can agitate the nervous system. Taking piracetam and nootropics in general can cause psychomotor agitation. That's why we recommend taking a period of abstinence while healing the nervous system. That is, when you need to treat things like depressions or apathy.
How long is the course of treatment?
You can take the medication for a long time. If we're talking about the injected form, you can receive 10, 15, 20 injections. That is, during the critical period. The capsule form should be taken for up to 3 months. In certain cases, 4 months.
Can pregnant women take piracetam?
Pregnant women should not take medications, except in some instances when their practicing gynecologist prescribes something. As a rule, this medication can be taken by the individuals over the age of 3.
In what cases can children take piracetam?
Piracetam is used in rehabilitation therapy for all possible central nervous system disorders. The drug does not act on the peripheral nervous system, but specifically on neurons, on their metabolism. It speeds up and improves metabolism in the brain, improves cognitive function, that is, memorization, perception, and memory, improves the endurance of nervous system and ability to handle stress. It improves the functions of the brain. That's why it is used to treat brain trauma, neurological infection, exhaustion of the nervous system, fatigue, stress, nervous breakdown, depression. After suffering a severe disorder, a person might experience apolia, depression, lethargy, fatigue, and lowered concentration. When the patient experiences this kind of cerebral asthenic syndrome, central nervous system fatigue, we prescribe piracetam.
Piracetam is considered an outdated medication, which has many new analogues with fewer side effects. For example, there's the Belgian-produced Nootropil. Only Belgian Nootropil costs 5 times as much as piracetam. Is it worth paying that much money?
Well, we're talking about what are, pharmacologically speaking, one in the same medication. Piracetam, Nootropil are considered separate brands, but have essentially the same chemical makeup. The difference lies in the added components and how harmful these additives are to the human body. Of course, we're also talking about the quality of the medication. That's why, if you have the option, we recommend sticking to the name brand drugs in interest of avoiding possible side effects. Considering the market is flooded with the fake drugs, ideally, there should be a quality guarantee. The packaging should have several types of protection. Since it is a medication, not even a food product, we need to be able to trust that our children will be healthy and safe. We want to use a drug that is tested and certified.